Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says how to find out adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix. So, first we will deal with the orthodox method and then we will understand the shortcut. Suppose that we have a matrix A which look like 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1 and 2. Suppose we got this matrix. Now we have to what we have to find? We have to find adjoint. So for adjoint what we need to do? We have to find out cofactor matrix and then we have to take transpose, correct? So first C11. So minus 1 to the power sum of lower subscript 2. And then what we will do? We will hide this, we will hide this. And then we need to find out determinant of this, means this into this minus this into this, so it will become 2. Okay, so this is your C11. Then C12 minus 1 power 3, we will hide this, we will hide this, and then 0 into 2 0, 1 into 0 0, 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is your C12. Then C13 minus 1 power 4. Then what we will do? We will hide this and we will hide this. So we got 0 minus 1. So it is minus 1. This is your C1. Now C21 minus 1 power 3, and then we will hide this, we will hide this. Then we are left with 1 into 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, then C22, we will hide this and we will hide this. So it is 4 minus 1, that is 3, minus 1 power 4 and then 3. Then C23 minus 1 power 5, and then we will hide this, we will hide this. We are left with 2 minus 1, that is 1. I hope this till this part you guys are okay. Now C31, so 31 minus 1 power 4. 31 means we have to hide this, we have to hide this, and then 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Now C32 minus 1 power 5. So we will hide this, we will hide this. 0 minus 0, that is 0. And then C33, hide this, hide this. Then 2 into 1, that is 2 minus 0. So it is minus 1 power 6 and then 2. So this is your cofactor matrix. Let's write down the final result. So it is 2, it is minus 1, it is also minus 1, it is 0, it is 3, it is 0, it is minus 1, it is also minus 1, it is 2. So we got cofactor matrix as 2 minus 1 minus 1 0 3 0 minus 1 minus 1 2. So this is your cofactor matrix. Now what we have to do? We have to check its transpose. So the final result will look like 2 0 minus 1 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 1 0 and 2. So this is done and you got your adjoint of A. Okay, so this is how you will find out your adjoint of a matrix. Okay, so this is the orthodox method to calculate adjoint, but do you really think that we will go with the same idea, means we will take this much of time to solve for adjoint? No need to do that. So look at this, how we will use shortcut. Okay, now the again I will use the same matrix. So it is 2 1 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 2. Look at this, how we will write directly. We will write adjoint of A. Okay, so the idea is what you have to do, directly start from the core. You will start from the middlemost thing, and then you will keep on going this, and then you will go this, and then you will come back again. So this way you will grow. Okay, but you will write horizontally. Okay, so the first person you will meet is what? You will meet 1, so write 1. The next person you will meet what? 1, so write 1. The next person you will meet is what? 1. And the next person you will meet is what? 1. So you wrote this thing. Okay, now move back to this way. So you have to write the middlemost thing, so 0. Then who will you will meet? 2. Then you will meet 1. Then you will meet 0. Okay, now done with this idea. Now come back to this place. You will write 0, then you will meet 1, then you will meet 2, then you will meet 0. Okay, so you did this much, and now come back again from the initial stage. So 1, then 1, then 1, and then 1. So this is how you will write. Now to get the first element, find out determinant of this. So 2 minus 0 is 2. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, now you have to write down here. You need not to worry about the signs, directly find out determinant. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Then this 4 minus 1 is 3. Then this. Okay, so it is 0 minus 0 is 0. Now again come back to this place. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Then 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Then 2 minus 0 is 2. So you are done. That here is your adjoint of a matrix. Now look at this, you can compare. After doing like 4 or 5 examples, now you will have better command over these steps. I hope you guys are enjoying, you guys learning a lot, and you guys are developing your skill sets as well. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.